Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on clipboard history on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Clipboard history on Windows 11 computer. Click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane click on System and now scroll down. Here you will find an option Clipboard. Click on Clipboard. The first option is Clipboard History, and by default Clipboard History is turned off here. Now click here to turn it on. Now Clipboard History is turned on. Now I'm going to check. Open a document. I'm copying some text. And further copying some text. Now I'm going to check the clipboard history. Press Windows key and V, and look, this is the clipboard history. This is the easiest way to turn on clipboard history on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.